hello everyone. This is me Yasser Hamid, and this video I gonna go social media poster. What is social media poster? Social media poster is designed for advertisement. Understand? And I design social media poster and this video. So let's begin. First of all, go to the file menu and then select a new. And then go to the select the pixel and then width 1080 and then height 1080 and then resolution 300 and then go to create. This is a social media poster size, and then go to the adjustment layer and select the solid color first of all, and then select this type of color. Okay, and then select the shape menu, draw the rectangle and this type, select the color orange, select the orange color, and then okay, and then create a copy, Ctrl J, and place the copy in this place, and then go to the file menu and select place link, and then select the picture. I go to the project and PNG and select the PNG image for a design. So select this image, rotate the image, and then okay, and then go to the text menu and write any text. For example, I write Yasser shoes shop, and go to the character and less the character space, and then okay. And then select the text and change the color, and then okay. Select the move tool and then select the text, and then okay. Right click and go to the blending option, and then cancel, and then select the text and off the fill color, and then go to the blending option and then select the stock color white, and then size less 7 4, and then okay. And then go to the text and write a simple text, and write the number, and then OK. Select the move tool and then select the text and then OK. And then again select the text layer and then go to the click on the page and write a website on web. I write IT learn is the right. .com and then OK, and select the move tool and select the text and then OK. And then again select the text layer and write up to and select the text and then change the text. So I select this text and then OK, and again write 30 and select the text and write change the option and then 30% and again select the text layer and write off and select the text and then change the text design and then select the move tool and adjust this text and then select this text small and adjust and then select the hold shift control alt E and create a copy and then go to the filter menu and then camera raw filter and then retouch the color combination. So first of all change the color reduction and then go to the effects, increase the amount size and then go to the detail and increase the amount and then go to this and adjust the color combination and then OK. So this is before and this is after. I hope understand this design and so you watch full tutorial and then I design another social media poster and the Photoshop. So please subscribe my channel and share this video and other students. Okay, bye.